Hi, I'm Jessie. This is the first time I'm actually using the Bosch vacuum cleaner, and it's actually very lightweight. It's only 2.3 kg. The thing I like about it is actually the accessories are easily interchangeable, as well as they come with an extra battery. Because sometimes when I vacuum the house, one charge is insufficient and I can just replace the battery and continue.
Hi, I'm Charmaine. The vacuum is a lifesaver to me because it's so light and it's so quiet. My boy is sleeping in the room. He doesn't get woken up by the vacuum. When I was trying the vacuum, it can do a 90-degree turn. It can easily go under the sofa. And also the brush, it can clean up my upholstery, my sofa, my cushion. I have lots of carpet, even I think on the beds.